back to my YouTube channel. So this time I have got you an interesting DIY trick by which you can create your own water candles, and that too with the easily available household stuff. Isn't that idea amazing? So first of all, let us have a look at the materials which will be required to create these attractive water candles. So the materials required to make the water candles are normal water, of course, as these are water candles, transparent plastic or glass tumblers which will serve as the base for the candle. You can choose any one material out of glass and plastic as per your preference, as your candles will look equally attractive in both. Cotton, by which we will make the wick of the candle flame. Oil, which will serve as the fuel and will help our candle flame to burn. I have taken vegetable oil here, but you can also take ordinary lamp oil which we use to lit diyas. Decorative beads, glitters and other decorative materials which will help your candle look more attractive. And last but not the least, watercolors which we will add in the water to make it look more colorful and attractive. Additionally, I have also taken these circular cutouts of plastic sheets to make my ring float at the surface of the water. After taking a look at the materials, now let us move forward towards the procedure to prepare these candles. So, let us begin the preparation. We'll start by taking the cotton lump and making the cotton ring out of it. We just need to pull out a small portion of cotton out of the cotton lump and roll it between your palms to make a thin cotton ring. Make sure that your ring is not very thick. See, this is a perfect ring. As I am preparing 3 candles, so I have made 3 rings here. You can also use the ready-made rings which are easily available at the market. Our next task is to fit these rings inside the estimated center of these cutouts. As you can see that I have made a hole inside these cutouts with the help of this divider. Now let us insert these rings inside these holes. So, now like this, you need to insert your ring inside your cutouts. So, now you can see that I have inserted the rings inside all 3 cutouts. And now we are all set to start making our candle. Our next step is to fill all our glass and plastic tumblers 3 by 4 with water. So, I have prepared the colored water by adding orange and green colors to the water in the tumblers. Now, let us add the decorative materials inside it to make it look more attractive. It's time to put some oil in our tumblers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.